No, you're late to your own stream. I'm not. No, no. Hi, hello, hang on. I'm gonna lower the sound of this. Hang on, wrong button. Here we go. There we are. Little music in the background. We're gonna keep that. Ooh, oh no. Hang on, the camera is broken. I am so late today. I'm sorry. Hang on. Hang on, let me just do the thing in the right order. I wonder what the green thing in the back of the GIF. No, you don't. We've already shown them. Hang on, I'm so out of the loop today. I'm sorry, guys. Hang on. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to stream. Why is this not... Why is this... Why are you doing this? Come on, camera. I trust you. Come on. Why are you like that? Why today of all days? Hang on, the camera is refusing to work. I blame the heat. I'm gonna be honest. It's the heat. It has to be. I can't remember what it is. I remember I've been away for a week. I remember nothing. Yeah. Same Z's. Okay, that's working. Great. Great. Let me just tidy that up. Great. Okay, that's the best we're gonna have today, I think. Hang on. I'm gonna show it to you. I'm gonna say hello to you guys properly today. Yes. Alright. You can't wait for... Can be like, this is fine. Yeah, definitely. Hang on. Okay, that should work now. Yes. Thank God. Hi. Hello. Hello, everyone. Hi. I'm back. Back this week again. Let me just lower this and that. You can see there is a cat there. Hello. Yeah, meow too. Hello. She says hello in her own way. Just that. Bastard says hi. So how are you guys doing this week? I'm doing atrocious. It's been way too hot. It's been very difficult to focus, and I've been insanely busy. Like, I have a paying job right now. Just this week I need to speed around a thing because I leave next week and I need to finish it before I leave. And it's like a very sudden request from a client, but it's gonna get me money, so I'm not saying no. Also, I have a speedrun marathon that I'm helping organize, so I need to be there at ungodly hours. That's a pain. But otherwise, I still managed to find a few minutes to work on the game here and there. Don't worry. If you're just joining us today, money is good. Money is needed at the moment. Also, I got a tattoo. You can't see it very well. It seems ugly right now. It's because it's still under the plastic that protects it. But I got it just yesterday. I was supposed to get it Sunday, but we had to move the appointment because it was too hot. And like, the tattoo artist was like, I cannot tattoo in these conditions. You cannot be tattooed in these conditions. We're both gonna die if we try. So let's just push the appointment back. And I was like, yeah, okay. And then it messed my whole agenda. It was... I'm super happy to have it, but damn, should I have, rescheduled it for much later or scheduled it much earlier? It's a pain right now. So it's a bit painful, which is not ideal to work because I have to fight a bit to find a comfortable position to hang, It's the deal. But it's okay. Otherwise, I'm super happy. New tattoo is always great. But that's just being a bother right now. That's why I'm very tired right now. Lots of things. It's too hot. New tattoo. Mood is great, morale is high, energy is super low. That happens. It's fine. But otherwise, welcome. If you're just joining the stream for the first time, I am Mew. I am half of Small Dreamers. I am the small part of Small Dreamers. Evening Dreamer, who's in the chat, is the other half, but he's not. He couldn't be there this week. He's on holidays. I need to get the new tattoo too. Yeah, soon. Apparently I'm the dreamer. Apparently, yeah, you're the dreamer part. I'm the small part. You're the dreamer part. That's what we said. Stick to the plan. But yeah, no. Otherwise, we're small dreamers. We make small games in a short time, and this is the second game we're working on, and it's a little ghost train simulator builder tycoon thing game where you build your own ghost ride. Spooky. Right now it's a big purple box. It's okay, don't worry, we're gonna come back to that later. It works quite well, not gonna lie. Ooh, I'm gonna spoil you something that I wanted to show later. Hang on, no, don't show. You saw nothing. Hi, Honey. Hi, Guy. 15 minutes late as usual. You know, you're on time according to your own schedule. No problem with that. But yeah, so right now it's still a big purple box. I'm really gonna need to start working on the outside of it, but otherwise that's fine. It's a little train. There's a little train track inside, grid for it at least, and you can build it and edit it to your liking. Nobody died from heat this past week, as far as I know. No, at least I didn't. Almost, but didn't. The cat is still alive. I swear, she's just sleeping. So apparently everyone survived. We need to talk about what the exterior is going to be. Well, we have tons of references. I can start with that. You know, it's not gonna be. It's gonna be a bit of a thing, I think. We need to reconvene about that once I'm back. Once you're back, and then I'm back. So in 2 weeks, or in a week from now. Let's say in a week and a half. No. I even went outside in the heat. I don't recommend it. Yeah, me neither. Don't go outside. It's too hot. And remember, drink water, hydrate, eat responsibly, and make sure your pets are okay. And in the right temperature. Hey. Words are hard today, I'm sorry. What did we do this week? What did I do this week? Well, Seth is on holiday, so that shortens the stream by half, you know. But otherwise, I finally integrated the ballroom module. I made the chandelier look. It's working approximately well. I have a few clipping issues because the walls are a bit too big, I think. Too thick. They're too thick. But that means that they were clipping with other walls, so I need to work on that because now it's messing up with the curve I had. So I need to do a thing with that. I need to work on that. And also I've made the paintings that can go in there. I need you to look at them. Hang on. Here it is. Look. I've made paintings. Well, I've used famous paintings and put robots on them. I think that can be useful, you know? It's not spooky at all, but it's fun. So yeah, that was an idea from chat, I think from Oni last week. Or at least that was the idea that was prompted to me by chat, like they gave me the idea. They inspired me. You guys are inspiring. And yeah, so I think I'm gonna try to put some in the... No, not you. Not here. Not right now. Here. I'm gonna try to put some in the, you know, like in the arch here. But yeah, I need to do a thing here because when I was writing it, it was clipping with the walls of next door modules. So it was very uncomfortable. and not in a good way. And yeah, so that way you can, but otherwise it works. It's just, I just messed up the integration. It's not in the right category. I had fun with a bit of texturing. There, they moved to, hang on, look at that. They dance. Yes, baby, they dance. They play music. They do their thing, you know? They're having fun. I was the duck of the week last week, yes. Yes, you were. So yeah, so that's been the module that has been occupying my thoughts recently, but otherwise, once I had that, I went like, I need to stop working on this. And I went like, I need to stop. I need a break from this. I'm getting stuck on stupid things. I'm putting way too much time in this. It doesn't need to be that hard. So I stopped a bit. And instead, I did some UI. I warned you last week. So now, the buttons are slightly better looking. I'm not satisfied yet. But, I mean, if it accepts to, yes, thank you. You know, it's still a work in progress, but I'm doing a thing, you know? Been working a bit on that. Still, you know, I'm still not fully happy with things as they are, but, you know, they work. So you know, it's not perfect yet, but it's been a pain. It's been a bit of a pain because, well, first of all, picking a font for a game is so hard. Like, last time I had an easy time because it was a very simple game, so I need just something nice, something that would stick with that. Here, I want to have something fun, something that goes with the vibe of the game, but also the old game style, and at the same time a bit weird and a bit, you know, not fully, you know, not completely. I want to say professional, but that's not the idea I want to give. It's just like I don't have to. I don't want to be too modern with that. Oh, okay, evening dreamer. Hi, bye Seb. Bon appétit. Go eat in a fancy restaurant. Wow, have fun with that. Well, have fun and enjoy the end of your holidays. It's cool. Bye. But yeah, so choosing a font is a pain, and in this case, I was very happy because I found the first one pretty easily, the one from the menu that you can see here, which is, you know, very old style, gothic, if you will, the goth style of fonts, of types, you know, like it's very nice. It doesn't scale up very well sometimes, but that's fine. It works very well, but it's not super legible. So I was like, as soon as I have things that are in caps lock or more text, you know, or long text, it's just not, it's not good. It's not comfortable to read. So now I'm like, maybe I need another font for the more useful stuff, the things you need to read. And right now, I'm not satisfied with what I have at all. But it's there. I don't want to get stuck in a rabbit hole of fonts. So I'm leaving it with this for now. I tested a few types first, a few fonts. I have another one that's somewhere around there that I tested, but it wasn't, you know, it wasn't doing the thing. So I'm just like, at this point, I'm gonna keep it, you know, that way with the rounded shape. It's a bit too round to my taste, but it's, you know, funny enough in a way. It's funny. As in, it's not a very regular. It has this weird shape that goes thinner at the base. That makes it fun, but it's... I had one font with one issue. I had a font, now I have two issues. Yes and no. you often need multiple fonts for one thing. Like if you look oftentimes at a book or a magazine, for example, a website, you'll often find that they will use multiple fonts, but they go well together or well enough, because you need some for style, if you will, flavor, vibe, and you need some for text, for reading. You need some fonts that are super legible, super simple, and then you need some that are just there for spice, you know, like the spicy ones. So this one is the spicy one. Let me go back to the main menu, hang on. And now it's just a matter of balancing the two, especially because I still have buttons that are not going to be there. Like in this screen, it works very well, but in the game screen, it's not quite there yet. Like I'm considering whether maybe I want to make the text with the fancy font, maybe not, who knows. So it's all still, you know, being kind of tested. Colors also, the color scheme is being tested. Like I think I'm gonna make that a much deeper purple so that it really looks like, oh, maybe I just go with the same kind of button. Nah, I need them very different. These are useful. And these are... maybe I need to exchange that, actually. We need to make these in that and these in the fancy one. No, it didn't look good when I made the fancy one here. So yeah, as you can see, I'm still very much in UI hell. I'm having fun. You can't tell, but I'm having fun with that. I enjoy that. It's a headache, but I enjoy that part of the UI process very much. I love finding the good font. I love, you know, trying new things and stuff. It's just hard sometimes to, you know, sometimes I have to remind myself, okay, stop editing, take a break and come back to it, because especially with visual stuff, you can tinker with it, you can, you know, edit it, look into details, modify small and small things so many times, and then it just doesn't work because you lose sight of what your intentions were. And so you end up just being like, oh, that was working pretty fine actually like 200 modifications ago, now that I'm thinking about it. So you tend to, you know, lose kind of clarity on this if you get stuck for too long editing micro things. So for now, I'm kind of taking like a 24 hours break from it because it's just not... I've been editing it like for a whole day and twinkering and tinkering and being like, oh, maybe if I modify that, maybe if I push this, if I add 5 pixels there, if I have a margin of 5 pixels there, then maybe it will work. No, it doesn't solve anything. You need to reconsider the layout of things. I do that for code too. Yeah, most things, when you enter the minutiae of the thing, of finishing and polishing, you have the main structure of the thing you're creating, but you know, just tweaking, that's when you really need to keep a sane mind and be like, oh, I need a break actually. I need to take a step back and reconsider. So yeah, that's where I'm at right now. That's what I've done most of the week. Well, when I had time during the week, which sadly wasn't much. And the best part was that yesterday, this little thing stopped working properly. So apparently the middle click, the scroll click, decided to get stuck at random times, whether I clicked it or not. That was very uncomfortable, because then every time, because you have to understand that when you're in the 3D mode in Godot, a lot of the camera work is through the center click on the mouse. So that was very uncomfortable. It's worse in Blender, because at least here I can navigate with right click and keyboard. But in Blender it's a pain. And I use the scroll click so much. So today, instead of working on, I don't know, integrating the paintings, I don't know, instead, I had to operate. I performed open heart surgery on my little mouse, basically. Opened it, cleaned it, but that was very much a pain and stressful too, because every time I have a computer issue, I get really stressed because it's my work. It's my main tool for my job. So every time I'm like, oh, is this the moment where I have to either take whatever money I have left on my account and buy new things, or is it something I can fix? So it gives me a lot of anxiety. It's a pain. But yeah, so that was the scary part of today, mostly. Yesterday a lot. Like yesterday it was me raging against it, like, why is this not working? Oh shit, oh fuck. And being very angry at things and being like, okay, what's going on? And today it was just stress about it. But it ended up working out. So for now it still gets stuck, so I can't really work in Godot or on Blender. But that meant that I could, you know, just do that, for example. So this was today, that's why it's not in the game yet. But yeah, I sadly couldn't really do much more. Because yeah. And that doesn't require me to use the middle click or the scroll at all. So that was that. Hi, Juan. So yeah, oh no, do I need to spend 2 months worth of rent so I can keep paying rent? Yeah, exactly, Elaine, that's the what a glorious thing to log into. Yes, look. These will decorate the ballroom and probably other places, who knows? Who knows what we could do with this, you know? So yes, so that works pretty well. Like, the ballroom is there. And these paintings might go in the arches there. I know how I'm gonna do it. I'm just hoping it looks as good as I envision. No promise, but it might. Who knows? So yeah, maybe not there. I don't know. Maybe there. There. Well, I have 1, 2, 3 on this side, and 3 on this side. So maybe I should do 2 more. Or maybe we can accept a repeat. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, so these will decorate here. The ballroom is working. There are a few issues here and there that I need to settle because it was... I had a few bugs with it. Of course I did, because I spent too long on it, so I didn't respect I spent too long on it in Blender and thus messed up the things I would need in Godot after. So now I need to spend some more time on it. But yeah. And also, the other for when who's just joining, UI. Did a lot of UI this week. Less funny than putting Robert's face on famous paintings, but still fun. So the UI is starting to look kinda okay. It's not there yet, it's not quite there yet, but it's starting to be, you know, not completely awful. Not completely programmer art anymore, but still not completely. I really need to zoom out from this. Like, it's too big, I think. Yeah, starting to get an identity. Yes, exactly. So we're getting there through it all. But yeah, so that's it. That's mostly it. I mean, I've been alone today, so I can only occupy half an hour. Usually the other half is Seb explaining what he did, so that's it. Bye. No, I'm kidding. But yeah, maybe I should do a bit more paintings, or maybe we can work together. You know what? Join me as I do more UI, because now that you're here, I have second opinions. That's great. This is the moment where I bother you with fonts and stuff like that and discussions like that. Okay, go back. It's okay. We'll see you later. Objects, no. Scenes, UI. There you are. Alright. So, when I go there, what did I want? Right. I wanted this one, and I wanted to modify them. So, that was it. So what the main thing I do here is that I switch between themes. Maybe it's better like that. Maybe it's better this way. Maybe, actually, you know what? Maybe. Actually, not bad, actually. Five here and 5 there. Yeah, much better. Okay. You go a bit deeper, a bit more present, a bit darker. Okay. I do like that font, but it's legit on small screen. That's my worry, and that's why I'm making quite big buttons usually. Because I tend to play in the small parts of my screen, you know, like I tend to not go on full screen mode. Oops. Yeah, okay. So I consider that when I play that way I can read, it's usually fine. It means that once I do that, it should be fine. Yeah. Hopefully, of course. That's all, you know. That's all well until you're like, oh no, it's not actually good on the small screen. But yeah, I consider that, you know, kind of okay-ish. Also, like, I've done a few tests, it should be alright. There are a few sizes where I know it's uncomfortable, but there's a limit to that. No, test ride is just illegible if I do that. Let's agree on that this doesn't work. It doesn't work for the T. So I'm gonna go back with legible and go back to a slightly smaller thingy. 8, 8, and 3. Okay, that should be slightly better. I think, hopefully. Maybe, who knows? Yeah, okay, that works, not bad. Go away, GeForce. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Now, these, I don't know what to do with that area. I think it's not... doesn't look quite right, and I don't know how to make it look really better. So, yeah, maybe add more margins. This, I shouldn't care about that. It just bothered me that it's there because it's just not... I need to make them shorter. Okay, so the first thing, good idea. Module description. Come back here. Theme. What if I put it in the fancy font? What if? What if we use the fancy one on this one? You know what? Maybe. It's not... No, caps locks don't work. Okay, no, that's a no from me, dog. There. Okay, so I'm gonna back on overrides, font size. Just gonna go with really much smaller. It's okay, it's just a description. It's just funny text. You don't need it. You don't need it that bad, okay? To play the game. It's just flavor. It's just flavor text. Yeah, that works better. No, I fool that. Thank you. Yeah, that's much better. Now I can write stuff. Okay. Flavor text is best text. Yes, sure. It's a pain to write, no? But yes, it's good. Alright, the module button. The problem is the module name, which keeps being a pain with me. Alright, if I center... Will you finally cooperate with me? Kind of. I don't like that it does that. I want it to adapt automatically. Hang on, let me remind. No, I don't want another wrap. I don't want you to go and... No. Hang on, what if I do that? I'm not sure I understand what I'm doing. That's the fun part. So I just test things. Don't tell Seb. No, do tell Seb actually, I don't care. No, it doesn't do the thing. Okay, we just... Otherwise we just limit the names to a number of characters. That would be the simplest, I guess. Okay, hang on. I don't remember. Well, I would like it to adapt the size of the text to a maximum length, but I guess it's not set up. It's not, yeah. Parameters I wouldn't have. We need to change so many parameters. Okay, I'll see that later, I think. That's fine. Fine as is right now. I'm probably gonna steal on shadow. I added a shadow. Why did I add a shadow? Nah, take it away. We don't need the shadow part. Well, hang on, do we? Do we though? No, it's too discreet. Nobody's gonna see that. I don't need it. Font, yes. Font size, maybe slightly big, slightly smaller. Come on. 15 pixels is very small. So, but the font is very legible. You're working right now. Yes, I am. Of course I am. I don't have anything more to show you. Oh, hi. Hello. Hey, you. But come, you're designing UI with me, Oniline. Stick with the plan. It's a thing that happens. So, yeah, that looks better. That looks better. It's that settles it. I'm inflicting a max numbers of work. Bastard, not on Mare Watch. Yeah, exactly. Hi, baby. Hi. What are you saying? What do you want? Attention? Say hi to the chat. Here, there. Yeah. Hello. You want to say something in the mic? No? Nah. You only communicate when you want something very much. Right now, you have it. You have it all. Attention. Come on, baby. Here we go. Mickeys? Mizu? Yeah. It's purring time. I think that looks better. Why is that? Why is there a white thingy right here? And not on... Oh, I know, that's the... Oh, that's a pain. Oh, that's gonna be a pain. It's the rim. From the selected thing. Ah, that's a pain. Hang on. Hang on. Module container. Thank you. Okay. Come here, you. Legible theme. Okay. That's it. That's the problem. Focus. Is that the focus one? No, that's not the one. No, not you. Baby, come on. Tab disabled, tab focus. Here it is. Disable. No, that's not it. No, that's not it. Well, that should be it. Hang on. I don't. So that's the tab selected, that's the one. Okay. If I do that. Okay, that's not it. What am I not understanding here? Button highlight, button pressed, tab. The one. Not the one. I'm having a moment. Hang on. Alright. Come back here. So if I do that, we have everything. Right. Instead, if I go back to tab bar. Button highlight, button pressed. Tab hover, tab selected, tab unselected, tab focus, tab disabled. The cat is on my hand right now. You have to know that. You need to know that, I think. She's like, okay, do your thing. Just let me sleep on you. As much as you can. Sorry, I woke you up. Sorry, baby. Okay, so why is that not the thing? Hang on. Put your butt out of this keyboard. Thank you. I had to pivot the cat. Oh, that's a lot of cat hair floating around. Have I not brushed you enough yet? It's summertime, so bad for you right now. It's just shedding everywhere. That's terrible. Alright. Excuse me, cut time. So, if I say tab hovered, new flat style. I just do something stupid. Okay, hang on. For a little while. No, it doesn't work. No, it doesn't. Why is it not working? Okay, it's fine. That's fine. I'm not mad. Not mad at all. I'm not mad. You're in the legible theme. Why are you being like that? Why are you like... Oh. Did you just break the camera with your tail? Hang on. Did you just bump the camera cable with your tail? Yeah, you did. Yeah, you did. Thank you, love. Okay. I'm back. No, I'm not. Need to fully unplug it and then replug it. Problem is my USB hub is very sensitive and my cat is not a very delicate thing. Person, cat. No, you're not. You're not very delicate. Yes, I'm insulting you. Retribution, bitch. Okay. And we're back. Just like that. Hang on. Oh, now you're moving. I just want to adjust the camera so they can see you and now you're moving. Of course you are. Come back here. Come back. Come here. Put it slightly down. Yeah. 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 Thinking time. She's being a pain. She's like, I want the attention, or I want to be able to rest against you, or on you, or in any way, shape, or form. Yeah. Yeah. No? No. People are watching. You want to act tough and noble and stuff. Dignified. You're a dog. I know that. They know that. They realize that. At her. She's pretty. This is now Bastet on this stream. Yes. He's the best. The best. Yes, you are. You are. You are. I mean, she's better enjoy it. Usually I go to Seb's place for the stream. So she doesn't get to be there. But this week and last week, she got to be part of it. So, better enjoy it. No, go away. No. You're about to do something stupid, I know. Over here. Her tail is right in front of the chat. I cannot read you anymore. Ah! No. Come back. Up. There you go. You either stay here or you leave. I don't know. There we are. No. You're being an idiot. You know that. Exactly. Thank you. Okay. We can put that back where it was. Much better. Hi. Hi again. Where was I? Trying to work out why this wasn't working. Right. I still don't know. It's just not collaborating with me at the moment. And I have questions. Why are you not? Why are you like that? No. 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 You're just being a pain now. Up. Everybody knows we're saying really insightful things in here. Obviously. Always. Oof. I just rubbed the tattoo, the fresh tattoo on ached. I heard the bruise. Okay. Might be this one. Yes, that's the one. Oh, thank fudge. Okay. We're gonna go with slightly purple, slightly transparent, but just slightly. Okay, great. No, wait, that's the... when I select it, right? Yeah, okay. Yeah. To copy that. Here we go. There you go. So that it's the same color for now. And the flats, so slightly darker. Well, here, there. Like much darker. Okay. Yeah. Okay, that sounds about right. Come back here so that when I do that... Oh, it's not the same. Oh, I'm so bad. The right one. I'm so... Why is it working for this one though? And not this one? Is my question. Why do you do that to me? Why do you do that to me? That's fine, I'm not mad. I'm not mad. No, I'm not. If I put that here, it doesn't do anything. I'm so happy I did that. Up. You know what? I'm just gonna do it all, and then I'm gonna see. Hi, Fubar. Hi, Captain Fubar. Yes, sure. Firstly, a suggestion. What's the name of this font again? I swear I already saw it somewhere. The font is. I have a tab container. Oh, that's right. Oh, that must be it. Yeah. Okay. Not the tab bar. Oh, that's the thing. Okay, thank you so much. That might be it. Yep. The theme for tab container. Yeah, okay. That works for me. Thank you. I think it's the legible theme. There you go. That's the tab container. Is that the one? No, that's not the one. Where is it then? The one. That doesn't explain why it won't do the thing. That's fine. I'll work it out somehow. Sure. Get the field type at the top of the theme editor. Does not exist at a new one. Oh, top right. Oh, okay, that's the one. Thank you. Yeah. No, that makes sense. That makes so much sense. I just keep forgetting because for another job right now, I have been working in Unity, so that messes with my brain so badly. Thank you so much. Okay, that should be much better. Oh, thank fuck. Okay. Tab selected. That's the one. That's the one. Okay, great. Tab focus. That's the one, two. All right. Panel. Which one is that? Oh. Ah. Great. You can use a custom scene as a preview in the theme editor. Root node must be of the type control. Okay. That makes sense. That makes much more sense. I need to get used to the logic of the node system. I still haven't. I feel like I should. It's the second game in Godot, but I keep being like, yeah, it makes sense, and then I just forget the logic behind it. So thank you so much for passing by and saving me from myself. I would have taken so long to realize what I was doing. Wasn't doing the thing. Thank you so much. Where it is? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? You're here. Thank you. There. I didn't do the thing, right? I didn't do the thing. It's fine. It's fine. I'm not mad. I'm not being an idiot. Thank you. I'm doing well. I'm doing very well at this thing. Needs to keep playing with it to memorize some aspects. Yeah, exactly. And since I didn't do much UI last time because we were just not doing it, it wasn't doing the thing. Expand margin. No, hang on. Hang on. No, no, wait, do we want to skew this? No, we don't want to skew this. No, I will not skew the thing. It's okay. No. Okay, so the unselected. Let's go with this one. Can I? No, I can't. Where is it? Content margins? Yes. That's the one. Come on. Thing. Okay. And now, where's the one that is completely there it is. So let me think on what I want there. So hovered. I still want some level of color. No, it's not doing the thing I want, is it? No, it's not. Okay, come back. I need 10 here, 10 here. I need 2 here and 2 here. Thank you. What is your game about? Oh, yeah, right, of course. So we're making a, well, I say we're usually 2, but my other dev, my co-developer is on holiday. So usually we just hang on, the music stopped. Let me put it back. We're making this game in like 12 to 14 weeks, I think. And it's a little Ghost Train Tycoon, basically. Okay, let me show you. Still pretty much a work in progress, but we basically, you build your own little train ride, so ghost ride stuff. You know, the kind you see in the fair, at fairs, theme park type of games. Yeah, but we're just doing this part. So and then you can test it. You can ride the ghost train you've just made, and it's just like a fun moment where you do nothing but just watch the things happening. So, you know, you can see that you're being followed by eyes. You have this doing that. Well, I need to see why it clips here. Oh yeah. You have skeletons dancing and tons of stuff like that. There's actual sounds, fully interactive, yeah, kind of. But yeah, it's that kind of stuff. We've begun to add sounds, but not quite fully there yet. I think there's one there, and soon, yeah. We need to add so many more stuff and possibilities, but it's there. Technically, everything is there. It's working as intended, mostly. But yeah, that's it. And you can just open your ride. There will be animation playing once that's pretty. And you get, you know, little scores and you can unlock new things. And go back. Support VR? Probably not, because the way we work is we do things in a very short time. Like as I said, we tend to do games in 10 to 12 weeks time. and we release them as they are. And then we move on to the next one because we don't want to do full production yet. Because well, me and Seb, so the other half of Small Dreamers, have had a lot of time of experience in the game industry. We both have very limited experience in a way because while we worked for years, I'm usually just a game designer, and he was a sound he was a technician for recording of voiceover for video games. So yeah, they're learning projects in a way, and yeah, we've already released one. Jeez, hang on. I don't remember what was the type. Well, Stream Elements came before I could say I could type anything. But yeah, we released the first game that was just a walking and canoeing simulator. Mercedes looks amazing. Thank you. Thank you. We try. We try a lot. Thank you, and thanks for the follow. Meow. But yeah, so that's what we do at the moment. We're on this. Seb is on holiday until the end of the week, and I'm leaving on holiday next week, so he'll be streaming alone. And we do weekly streams every Wednesday. So around the same time, like I started 1 hour earlier, and that's always around the same time. We stream once a week, at least. Sometimes we do more. And usually we just talk and show what we've done, but because I'm alone this week, I was like, you know what, I can just work on the UI while people are there and hang around. That's fun. So yeah, that's where we're at. And yeah, I'm on the UI little hell that I've created for myself. But yeah, that's it. That's the game we're working on. Little Ghost Train Tycoon. Okay, why are you? Okay, I don't like what. There you are. There you are. Much better. Okay, I just need to add something. Border. A little border. At left, top, and right, and not at the bottom. Exactly. Yes, thank you very much. Because that was the bottom part. That was what was being a pain. That was what was driving me nuts. Perfect. No, you know what? I can do it in the green side. The green side of things. Perfect. Very clear. Love it. Okay, so now. Now go back to the tab container. Yes, theme override, constants. Do I have the... No. No. Whoops. If I do that, it doesn't do anything. You know what? You know what? I'm not touching that. You know what? I don't need to know what this is. I don't use that. Okay, font size. Do I want to be like that? Much better. Okay. I need you slightly bigger. And actually I need a bit of margin, I think. So in tab and selected, content margin, no. Corner radius, expand margin. I'll find where you are. I'll find out where you are. Come on. Come on. Oh, is it because I have... No, I do not have... I haven't put a border. This one, I just want slightly more space. Where do I do that? No, that's not it. That's not it. Just want a little bit of margin. Come back. Come back. I need you to be back. Okay, that's much better. That still looks much better, but I don't like how... Space between the tabs. Yeah, a bit of margin between them. Where have I put that? Tab rearrange group, focus, positions, C tab. Oh, that's much better. Thank you. Having people in the known is so much easier. No, not that. Come on. Can I add one? Oh, that's for constants. That makes sense. That makes much more sense than what I had in mind. Okay. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna add then to that. Outline size. Wait. I add. Yes? Can you? Thank you. Oh no, that's for the type. Okay. Ah! Yeah, I know, okay. Didn't want to click there. My mouse is still bugging. Ah, but I did repair it today. It's a pain. It's okay. Alright. We'll come back here. What if I... Oh, not you, no. No, not you. Certainly not. Unselected. Do I want to add a border? Question. Actually, no, I don't. I do not. I do not want to add a border. That's for sure. Margins, that's fine. Sources. This won't do the thing, just because they're not icons. That's normal, hovered, selected, that's the font colors. Sizing, if I go to constants, margins. I go tab margin and add that. Yeah, no, of course it won't guess what I want. Okay, that's fine. You know what? It works as is. I'll see that later. I'm gonna save that before I forget. Because it still looks slightly better. I re-explore that with a fresher mind. After I've eaten. It's dinner time where I am and that's not gonna... No, actually... There's a slight... Okay, that... You know what? That works. Border trick, yeah. Probably the border trick, honestly. But you know what? As is, it works. Do we need it better? For the left, give it some space and not a transparent color. Yeah, probably. Most definitely, actually. Hang on, come back. I wish I could help. I Godot has set an abundance inside and I did it. That happens all the time. Don't worry, don't worry. It's fine. You don't. We can't know everything. Okay, so let me put you at 0 and border width like okay. 2. 2 and 2 so that it's aligned well. And I'm going to do the same on the selected. That should do it. Oh, much better. Alright, let me see that. Yeah, that works. Yeah, perfect. Now, what I'm considering is whether I do want to do the same with these, because they do not really properly yet. Maybe I should go with the blue or purple actually. Now that we're here, and then I'm comparing it. Do I want to go too much blue or purple? Actually, hang on. Let me see the main UI. So this is very blue as far as purples go. I'm just gonna go slightly more desaturated. That way, and no transparency. That way it should do the trick. Yeah, that's much better. At least everything goes together. So there's that. Probably gonna need to make these slightly greener somewhere. Bit more green here and there, probably, but yeah, I think that's fine. I think that's fine for today. The things look good-ish. They look okay-ish, considering they were just placeholder art until like 22 days ago. It's fine. It's fine. Now I think I'm just gonna reconsider the font in itself. Come back, main theme. Yeah, sure, but no, legible theme. Come back. Button, yeah, sure. No, that's not. Where did I save this? But also, where did I put the thingy? Default font. Thank you, that's it. So the other one I had, that's the one, was... No, that's the fancy one. We want the legible one, thank you. That's Jolly Lodger, which is kind of similar, but also very much not legible. It's funnier, it goes better with the thing, but it's still not legible. So I'm considering... It goes better with the fancy one, with the goth title one. I'm gonna call it the title font, so that it makes it clear that it's not for texts, long explanations. Because this one is great also for other buttons and stuff that I need to be very legible. But as soon as I have more than 3 words, it just doesn't work as well. Well, right now it's also too small. Gonna be honest. But it did look better. So I'm considering. I'm having, you know, a thing. A moment with that, you know, it's like, do I want these things to be like that or not? Do I truly want these things to be like that? Come back, tab container while we're here. Yeah, no, I did put you at the right sizing, I think. But okay, button. Ooh. go back to a 30. 28, 28. Translation part of the project might change the appearance of UI. No, as we won't have time for translation. We're going English only. But yeah. Yeah, exactly. I think when the simpler the actually, do I want to? I change something on the? Yeah, I don't need to do that. Okay. Control no. Wait. No, actually not. 9 edit. No label. Okay, that should work. Where is my module description, menu description? Because I did modify that. Okay. Font sizes, if I say 28. Or, you know what? You know what? You know what? You know what? I can use the 3. I can use the 3 fonts. I do not have to choose. It's fine. I can do that. I can absolutely do that. Why am I being like, oh, I need a font that can do everything? No, you're not gonna find one. Use 3 fonts. It's fine. You'll have more flavor. Yeah, work with icons. Yeah, that too. Definitely. Yeah, that works, because then the description, the text font looks less childish, because it is it uses the same structure as the one I use on the more legible buttons, that I need more legible than these ones, and the fancy one. And instead they it looks referential rather than childish, because if it's on its own, it looks too different from this one, and thus the contrast is too much. That works for me. Okay, that's one problem solved today. Good job. Thank you, chat. No, I like it. That's once again, you're my Wix duck, rubber duck, dev, debug ducks this week. Okay, that works much better. Yes, these are the longest ones, right? Yes. Okay, these ones are gonna disappear at some point. I do not care. I can use actually I can use more space over. That's fine. That's a problem for me later. Which is in a few hours after streaming with a real ChatGPT. Yeah, but that's the point. The point is that ChatGPT wouldn't be able to do that because you know it's not sentient, and you know it's giving you the answers you want, and you have to prompt it. Whereas I can just hang around and say stuff, and some of you may react, which is much better. So yeah. But yeah, that's the concept we discussed last week, the RoboDuck programming, or debug, which is a nice thing. A nice little fun stuff. Look it up if you don't know what it is funny. But anyway, I think I'm gonna stop for today, because I'm hungry. It's dinner time. Thank you for passing by. Thank you for hanging out with me, helping me with the UI especially. It's been great. I hope you have fun. Yeah, today was fun. Today was fun times mostly. This week wasn't very productive, the heat, being busy with other things, but we still did things. Thank you for passing by. I hope you had fun. Kisses on your faces. Next week I'm not gonna be here. Seb is going to be here, so it's his turn to hang around with you, to hang out with you. The plan otherwise is to repair my mouse, definitely, so I can do 3D again without getting stuck. And yeah, while you'll hang out with Seb, I'll be handling a video game competition. So I'm gonna come back and be still very tired. Don't expect me to come back and be like, oh, I'm so rested now. I'm gonna be dead. So yeah, I'm gonna be like Robert, optimistic but dead. Yeah, for the few who've joined us today, Robert is the skeleton that I've started to use everywhere because I do not want to use another character model for now. Make another character model for now. So that's Robert, and he's having a ball right now. See you guys, it's been fun. See you in 2 weeks for me. Enjoy your next week, enjoy the end of August if we don't see each other until then, and remember to hydrate if it's hot where you are.